at these nerds, dude. Is Chow playing, what's he playing? Pokemon Go in the back?
Probably.
Chow, the pro cage builder, he's gonna take care of all of our problems.
Well, we need a plate over here.
You want it in there?
Inside, like here?
Where do you want the plate?
Because the seat...
Technically, you just don't have a seat to the bed.
Yeah. I mean, he's going straight seat to floor.
Having a fake bride, dude, like most 240 guys. Sorry.
Sick Polaris Razor, dude.
There's one over there.
I know. That's a Can-Am though. Yeah, rice.
So how high is the bar gonna have to be now?
All right, so we have our little roll cage schematic here for the main hoop.
Schematic.
Yeah, this eBay little drawing here.
Blueprint?
Yeah, so we're gonna go to our shop now.
Dude, I can stand up under this.
I know, right? And he's just literally under the truck. He's really doing it. Bro, are you really gonna drive back with a... Oh my God, Chow, this is rice. He has a fake roll cage in his Teggy.
It worked.
I know, I'm just fucking with you. All right, let's weld this in. G-Fab for the win.
Oh, no, we can cut it in half. That's good.
Yeah, we can cut it down.
Oh, yeah.
You won't leave it like that.
Do not leave it like
Bet
that.
money.
No balls.
Bet money.
But is it straight up?
I just want to drive. I don't care how it looks.
I like your spirit. I'm totally kidding. Please don't leave it this high.
Alright, wait.
We're chopping it at least level with the windshield here.
I can tell just by looking at it like this that that's higher.
So.
It's lopsided. It's lopsided for sure. Your side is higher, Ethan, by like an inch or two.
Flip it.
I forgot we're building this for a crunch chassis because that's literally perfect now. Chow's fucking G-Fab cage work, dude. It's paying off, dude. Look at this thing, dude. Inspect as well. You look like TSA right now.
I need that flashlight.
That should be welding. Look at this. What is this, dude? What are those?
Dude, we're literally almost a legit shop right now. I'm totally kidding, by the way. Totally kidding. Chow is notching the pipe with a grinder with a flap disc. Dude, day 2.
So this is right next door.
Yeah, dude, they did my S14.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, we got the unicorn rig going on. This dude is a straight up boss. Shows up to buy steel in this thing. Makes your truck look so small when it's actually gigantic with your 37s.
I'm worried about hitting a bump too fucking hard.
I know, right?
Just smacking down.
Dude, this thing kind of looks like a rally car.
What?
It looks like a rally car. It's like all lifted and shit.
Stop.
On these wheels? What did you do?
I mean, that's smart. I like it.
Yeah, I like it too.
I like the G-Fab.
Yeah, I like it. I like the headlights and shit, dude. It's classy. Looks good, actually.
That's how I streeted my car.
Nice, nice. Damn, you guys did work last night. All right, well, let's get to work, boys.
Chance I didn't
the cage is coming along surprisingly pretty nicely. Got a Chow and Ethan. So now we got to get the seat in so that we can mock up the harness bar, because the main hoop has the crossbar and then another one has to come through here, but it needs to line up with the holes in the seat there. And we need to mock up a door bar, so we got to get that seat in.
Yeah, it's like perfect.
It's looking good. Let's see it, Chow. Yeah! Dude, are those your leg protectors for when I smash in your door?
My quote unquote.
Your door, yeah, this is all that's protecting you.
Right, this is the door.
That's it, right there. Passenger door bar going in now. This side's gonna be a little bit trickier because the rocker panel is pretty smashed up and there's not much left of it. Whereas on this side, it was fully intact, so we could get it, you know, real nice and clean, get some plates on there, but the other side isn't like that. So we're gonna have to get a little bit creative on how we're gonna get some plates down on this, but Chow killed it, dude. He's got all the plates where they should be. It's all looking good. All right, so we decided this was the method we were gonna take. We hammered that flat, got that plate welded in there, got the second plate going in right there, and then we're obviously gonna have to throw a gusset on that gap right there. But other than that, I mean, that's the best that this is gonna get, on this side at least.
Oh yeah. There's not much fixing this.
No, it's mangled, just weld on top. You guys are the OGs, dude, killing it. 1 day roll cage. Well, technically it was 2 days, technically.
Well, yeah.
Day one was bend the hoop.
Make the hoop, because that
And then
takes like 4 hours.
we took the day off early too, so it got late. It's real late out right now. And we're just trying to get this done, dude. Spirit Peaks in a couple days.
Yeah, did we use all that, did we?
No, you're gonna probably have, I don't know, 10 extra feet, 15 extra feet, something like that.
Looks identical to that side with the fucked up quarter.
Yeah, it's pretty close, minus this whole mess back there, which
Very
we're gonna
good.
have to, at some point, deal with that.
I didn't turn it on.
Oh my goodness, hold on. Ethan's a noob.
I'm a noob, I just welded the whole cage.
I know, right? Welds whole cage, forgets to turn welder on the last weld.
We'll see how they hold.
Oh, they'll hold, dude. Sketch. There it is. Chow was the lead fab tech, I guess you could call it. He did every single bar. Chow literally notched, cut, measured every bar, every plate. Ethan welded it all in. I was just here for moral support, to drink Ethan's beer and film. But yeah.
October 26th, right?
Yeah.
Halloween bash?
Halloween Bash, Spirit Peaks, best event.
It's gonna be
they
fucking sick, dude.
They the hardest, so that's what we prepare for.
This is
Yeah. Whoa,
where
whoa.
the party happens.
Yeah.
Spirit Peaks.
Spirit Peaks is literally,
The party track.
it's a drifting party. It's
Yeah.
weird. It's weird how it works, but it's the best thing that I've ever discovered in my entire life.
Yes.